It is very exciting. Time to open the summer shipment from Island Batik. I've got my boxes stacked up, my scissors ready to go, and we're gonna see what new things Island Batik has in store for us. Okay, this is all happening in real time. So here is our first selection. Okay, let me dig in here and show you the goodies. A luscious fat quarter bundle. Prairie Blue by Kathy Engel, and this will be in shops in September. Oh my gosh, you know True Blue Quilts is all about blue fabric, and these are some gorgeous selections. So look for some fun coming from those blue fabrics. We've got some Hobbs heirloom batting. Thank you to our industry partners. Hobbs also sent some fusible batting strips. I've gotten several packages of these. I need to buckle down and do something. As they say, they are great for rugs, bags, totes, straps, sashing. I guess if you were doing a quilt as you go project, you could use the fusible strips for the batting in between those squares. So always fun to get new batting products from Hobbs. Okay, another fun addition to our boxes are these stash builder rolls. These are 5-inch strips, and you can see they bundle them in all sorts of fun combinations. I've got several neutrals here, a green and a purple, so those will be a lot of fun to work with as well. More from Hobbs. They sent a black batting, so if you are using quilts with a darker color scheme, darker fabrics, and you don't want any possible migration of those light fibers from your light colored batting, choose a black batting. This is wonderful. And then I have my foundations bundle. Foundations has a range of filler, blender type fabrics in it, and you can see some of these great watercolors, several of their solids, just gorgeous fabrics. And the great thing about foundations is that they are always available, so shops can order from the foundations selections any time of year, whereas other collections may come and go depending on the season, but foundations are always available and such great colors to play with there. Some coordinating yardage to go with the blue bundle I showed you earlier, and those are some pretty light blue and a darker blue, almost black there. That will be fun. And oh gosh, another significant yardage of a light background. This is called Sprinkles, and it's got fun dots there in just a cream neutral, and you can see how well you could just add in those neutrals in any design. I really love the Island Batik neutrals. More batting. Hobbs Thermore is, yeah, this is a polyester batting, so it does give a little bit more poofy loft there if you're looking for that, but this is another great product from Hobbs. And to round out box number 1, we have a Tuscany collection. This is a cotton wool blend from Hobbs. So thank you to our industry partners. And I will dig into box number 2. Look inside here, some good stuff. A new industry partner from Canada, the Prairie Spirit Alpacas, and I've got a nice wool pressing mat, so all my blocks will come out super crisp. I am so thankful and so excited because I do not own a wool pressing mat until this very moment. Thank you, Prairie Spirit Alpacas. This bundle is labeled surprise, so I have to put that aside and pull it out for a future blog hop, so stay tuned. We have another fabulous variety of Stash Builder rolls, 5-inch strips, more neutral yardage. Island Batik always sends us a black, a white, and a gray, and I love the Island Batik solids. They work up so beautifully, and these are great backings. I love to use coordinating thread on my designs, and then it just pops on these solid backgrounds. So thank you for those. Oh, fun. A strip set. This line is Be Kind, and it is such bright, fun colors in these yellows and purples and greens, and then the coordinating yardage there in a light and a dark shade of green. So that will be so much fun to play with. Ooh, my assigned tool is the Tucker trimmer. We have a challenge coming up using all sorts of the Studio 180 tools, and I need to get busy thinking about blocks that I can make with the Tucker trimmer. Okay, and then this big bundle labeled with my name so they can package and make sure we get all the appropriate pieces there. We have an October challenge by Annie design. So I've got my zipper and my straps and mesh there, and then you can see some of the beautiful fabrics I selected there for a new bag from by Annie. And then the last heavy thing in the box, which I need to get busy with right this very minute, is the Go die for our July Accuquilt challenge. These block on board dies are fabulous because you've got all the pieces right in one die to run through your Accuquilt machine that make the entire block. So I can just place my different fabrics and we'll work with the Tree of Life block here for the July challenge. So, empty box, lots of great stuff to get busy with, and I can't wait to get quilting.
Thank you to Island Batik and all our industry partners. I am excited to start quilting with all these fun supplies. While I am working, please enjoy this recap of my 2021 Ambassador challenges. Thanks for watching and have a great day.